Hey everyone, welcome to Net Nimble. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find and view reels you've watched on Facebook. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook application on your phone. You'll land on the Facebook homepage where you can see posts from friends and pages you follow. Now, tap on Menu or hamburger icon in the top right corner. This opens the Facebook menu page with all your options. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Next, scroll down to the Your Activity section and tap on Activity Log. This is where Facebook stores all your activity history, including posts, tags, reactions, and videos. Here's where it gets interesting. Swipe left through the tabs at the top until you find Videos Watched and tap on it. You'll now see a complete list of all the videos and reels you've watched on Facebook, organized by date. This includes Facebook Reels, regular videos, and live streams. Simply tap on any video to view it again or find that reel you've been looking for. And that's how you access your Facebook watch history and find reels you've previously watched. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to Net Nimble for more Facebook tips and social media tutorials. Thanks for watching.